Hello viewers, in this video we're going to discuss division of fractions. Here we have 1/3 divided by 1/6. There are three basic steps to remember. One is to keep the first fraction as is. Second is to change. We will be changing the operation symbol here from the division to multiplication symbol. And the third one is to flip. We will flip the numerator and denominator of the second fraction. Now, if we follow these steps, this will become 1/3. We will keep the first fraction. And then second is to change the division symbol to multiplication symbol. So this becomes times. And then the third one is to flip. We will be interchanging the positions of the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes from 1/6, this will become 6/1. So now following how to multiply fractions, this becomes 1 times 6 divided by 3 times 1. And 1 times 6 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. If we divide 6 by 3, it will give us 2. So our final answer here is 2. Let's dive into our second example. We have 2/5 divided by 4. Keep the first fraction. So we will write 2/5. And then we will change the operation symbol from division to multiplication. So multiply times. And then this one, flip. Remember that 4, the whole number 4 has a denominator of 1. So if you flip this from 4/1, this will become 1/4. So now we can multiply. 2 times 1 is, we'll write it here, 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 5 times 4 is 20. So we have here 2/20. And as you can see, we can reduce this further to simple terms. So this is when you divide this 2 by 2, this will become 1. And when you divide this 20 by 2, this equal to 10. So your answer would be 1/10. This is now your final answer. Our next example, 1 1/4 divided by 2/3. Here, 1 1/4 is a mixed number, so we still need to convert this to improper fraction. How to do that? We will multiply 4 and 1. So multiply, this will give us 4. And then 4 plus 1, so this will become 4 plus 1. And that's equal to 5/4. Again, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So our improper fraction is 5/4. Now divide. Instead of dividing, again we will change it to multiplication symbol. Next is 2/3. What will we do with the second fraction? We will flip. So we will interchange the positions of 2 and 3. So this will become 3/2. So what's gonna happen next? 5 times 3, this is equal to 15. All over 4 times 2, this is equal to 8. So we have here 15/8, which is an improper fraction. We can convert this to a mixed number if you wish by dividing 15 by 8. So 15 divided by 8, so this is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So 15/8 is equal to 1. This one, 1 and 7. 7/8. Okay. So 15/8 is just equal to 1 and 7/8. Proceeding to the next example, we have 6 divided by 2/3. So we will keep the first fraction, 6. 6 having a denominator of 1. So this is 6/1. So we will write it as 6/1. And then we will change the division symbol to multiplication symbol. And the third step is to flip the second fraction from 2/3. This will become 3/2. So now we can multiply the two fractions. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Divided by 1 times 2 is 2. And if we get the quotient of 18 divided by 2, this will be equal to 9. So our final answer here is 9. Our last example, 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/5. We will be converting this mixed number to improper fraction first. So we will just rewrite 3/4 divided by, now converting this to improper fraction, 5 times 1. So this is 5, then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is 6/5. Again, 5 times 1 is 5, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is equal to 6/5. Our equation is like this, 3/4 divided by 6/5. Now we can make use of the keep, change, and flip. So we will keep the first fraction as is, so 3/4. We will change the division symbol to multiplication. Then we will flip the second fraction. So 6/5 becomes 5/6. Now we can do the multiplication of fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15 divided by 4 times 6 is 24. Okay. I think we can reduce this to simpler terms. So 15 divided by 3, and then 24 also divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. All over 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So our final answer here is 5/8.